Hello everyone and welcome to today's session. In this tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript program to sort the strings of a given array in order of increasing length. Importantly, if two strings have the same length, their relative order in the array remains unchanged. The goal here is to sort an array of strings in increasing order of their lengths. If two strings have the same length, we do not change their original order. For example, in the input XYZ, ACD, and AA, the output is sorted primarily by string lengths. Here's the ES5 implementation. We use a nested loop to compare each string with the subsequent strings. If the length of the current string is greater than the next string, we swap them. Finally, we return the sorted array. The sorting process uses two loops. For each string, we compare its length with the lengths of all subsequent strings. If the current string is longer, we swap them. If the lengths are equal, the orders stay the same. This ensures stability in sorting. Let's see this code in action. For the input array of XYZ, ACD, AA, the output is sorted by string lengths. Similarly, for test cases like apple, kiwi, banana, and pear, we get a sorted result with the shortest strings first. The ES6 version uses JavaScript's built-in sort method. We provide a comparator function, a.length minus b.length, which sorts the strings based on their lengths. This approach is more concise and efficient. In this example, shorter strings like a are moved to the beginning of the array during sorting. The comparator ensures that strings of the same length stay their original order. To recap, we explored two methods to sort an array of strings by increasing length. The ES5 method uses nested loops, while the ES6 version uses the sort method for a more efficient solution. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next